Hey guys, Brian here from the JAG Precision SHOTShow booth 2016, and this is the Modify XTC rifle. It's a very unique, very beautiful rifle built by Modify inside and out. Let's go over some of the key features about this. You're going to have a 6065 aluminum P-Mod handguard system. You're going to have a stabilized floating barrel. There's a nice little gas block right here, and also a billet style aluminum with a ambidextrous selector. You notice it's in 45-degree rotation instead of the full traditional M4 style. Also a straight trigger and a buffer tube covered up by this crane stock. Very nice and smooth. Now inside this gun is very, very unique. Being that it's all Modify, you're going to have a complete gearbox built by Modify with Modify parts. So it's perfect. Inside the gearbox, you're going to have a torque motor and a MOSFET to get a snappy trigger response and no trigger issues down the road. Also, you're going to have a gear set that uses a version 7 spur gear, so you have less gear teeth and a higher rate of fire. The piston will be a Modify Ultra piston, and for more information, check out the JAG Precision YouTube channel, and I'll put a link right for it here. This has been Brian from JAG Precision. Thanks for watching.